Hey Jordan, have you ever thought about buying a home?
All the time. But it seems so overwhelming. How do you even start?
Well, I've been looking into how AI can help simplify the process. It's pretty cool.
How does that work?
First, AI can help you research the market. It analyzes trends, predicts price changes, and even suggests neighborhoods.
That sounds like a lot of work taken off my plate. But what about finding the right house?
AI can match your preferences with available listings. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you want.
Wow, this is amazing. I feel like I'm actually there.
Exactly. AI can provide virtual tours and even compare different homes side by side. You can see the pros and cons without leaving your house.
This is so convenient. What about the paperwork?
AI can help with paperwork too. It can fill out forms, check for errors, and even negotiate on your behalf.
That's incredible. It sounds like AI can handle almost everything.
Pretty much. It's all about making the process easier and more efficient. So, with AI, you can make informed decisions and save time and money.
I'm sold. This is the future of home buying.
Absolutely. And if you want to learn more, sign up now for more insights on AI, finance, and how you can retire early.
Sign up now for more insights on AI, finance, and how you can retire early. Visit our website or subscribe to our channel.